So we start with bringing the water to boil. Then we go ahead and add the guinea hen. Now this is just enough for about 4 cups. Then we allow it to boil for about 5 minutes straight. Once you have it boiled for about 5 minutes, then we cover it. So turn off the water and we cover it. Then we allow it to steep. After it steeps for about 10 minutes, then you can strain, then serve. And that's how we do the Guinea Hen weed tea. You can actually do this for any type of herbal teas. But thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe.